So today I'm showing you guys how I did this curly hair, and I freaking love it. It's so bouncy, it's so fun, it's so healthy because you don't have to use any heat in your hair. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I just love how it sits right there. I feel like I have a medium length hair. I love it.
It's not good enough for me since I've been with you. It's not gonna work for you. Nobody can equal me. Hello. I'm gonna sip on this drink when I fuck up. I shouldn't know how to fix it. I'm gonna catch the rhythm while she push up against me. Ooh, she tipsy. I had enough alcohol for 24. I picked you from across the room. Pretty little body dancing like go-go. And you are I need to get you alone.
Oh yeah.
Oh, crew to the cruise. Doing shit you don't even see him move.
Got me feeling some type of way. I told you I hate you, I don't mean it. If I don't get no reply,
We're almost there.
Ride with me, boss. I got a hard head, but the ass up.
We're finally in the last one. Here's the look. Here's the look. Anyways, here's what I have right now, and we're just gonna wait around an hour and a half or 2. You can also sleep in it so that it will be so tight, but I don't really recommend that because it's really uncomfortable. Anyways, I'm just gonna put a little bit of hairspray. I know how my hair works, so I'm just gonna put just a tiny bit, like that. See you in 2 hours. Hi, it's been a minute and now I'm back. I think I'm ready. Let's take it off. I'm just gonna say this right now. If you grab thin hair, it will make your hairs tight. If you grab chunky hair, it will make soft curls. I did a combination of 2. Let's see how that works. Oh yeah.
She want the last name with the ring on it, cause I pulled out $1 million cash, all I plank on it.
and you are unforgettable. I need to get you.
Oh my god, my hair is so short and curly. I like the way it is. I just need to style it, but I don't know how to style this. But this is with no heat. Oh yeah, here's what it is. That's it for this video. I hope you guys learned something today, and I hope you guys try this with me. If I could do this every day, I would. And today's shout out goes to Julia Walker. Thanks girl for watching. I'll see you guys next week for a new video. Bye.